Hello, my name is Kenji. Thanks for three. The best present birthday. Hello, my name is Diego. Hello, Diego. How are you? Hello, Kenji. Fine. And you? Very good. I will watch the hype Kevin for his birthday. Great. White brand? A Rolex. But it is very expensive. Then hype him a television. Good idea, but I have there's a promotion. I found a discount if you buy a LG television. You hate iPhone with a 15% discount. Great! It's about the promotion in hype. In the gift on Saturday. Great! Wait, I am leaving now. Take care. Bye.